Yes. All right, so I'm meeting my buddy here at Willoughby Marsh. I have winter whites, but I didn't bring them. I forgot them. I thought they were in my bag. I don't know. But I would have much rather worn whites than this. This is like too green. I just look like a bush that somehow survived the winter. So we're gonna move more forward. This is my favorite kind of open forest though, where it's not like all that shit that's gonna rip you apart.
Have you been to Root Rock Track yet?
No. There's lots of little tracks. So it's all in the snow over there too. Winter.
There's definitely one here. I'm just trying to figure out where it is.
Yeah. Yes. Got it. Yeah.
Beautiful coat on too. I love how they look.
You're cutting the tail, right? And then
Yeah, the kind of a pain in the ass to do. You got to cut the tail, separate it, and like cut these little ligaments.
yeah.
And then you cut down here, and you step on the bone,
yeah.
grab his legs and pull.
Yeah. I've done it with a rabbit.
It's been a while since I've done it. Hopefully it's enough and I don't destroy him.
That's all right. That should happen. Oh yeah, he's got big balls, eh?
Yeah, I know. Massive.
Oh yeah, looks like you're going good. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah. Holding it in my hand, but this is better.
Yeah.
To go.
We're all set.
I think the population of squirrels is not going to be affected, considering there's so many that they like flip my garbage sometimes. In the city, we need to do this.
Yeah.
Man, they eat trash. Like they'll go in my garbage. And one time there was a piece of pizza up by my windowsill on my old house.
Really?
And I was like, where the? Oh, it's a squirrel. Bless your squirrely heart. Oh yeah. That's really all the good parts in there.
Yeah. Then there's like under here, there's like he's got glands. You got to take those out because they're nasty.
Yeah.
I usually do that at home when I quarter them though.
Smelly little glands for whatever, mating or something.
Yeah. you just stuff you don't want to eat.
Yeah.
That's a nice size.
That's pretty sweet, man.
It's awesome. I didn't think I was gonna get one.